Hello. Okay, today is happy day for me because it's the magazine photo shoot of my client's place. Magazine, not my own. Which means whatever we shoot will appear in the magazine. So I'm looking forward. Of course, there are a lot of styling stuff that I brought. Okay lah. Comparatively, it's not a lot lah. I have brought a lot more things for styling. Then somebody ever asked me, hey, why you need to bring so many things to style a photo shoot? Does that mean your client's house is very bare until you still need to zeng a lot of things? Wrong. Usually my clients, right, when I source things for them, they will just get the essential, okay? What they feel will suffice. But when it comes to photo shoot, what will suffice for homeowners is different from what will turn out nice on a shot. So what will turn nice on a shot are more things packed into the scene, which means more decor stuff, more complete. Okay, it's not your chill basic things. So if you ask me, no matter how much I've styled my client's place and they're happy with it, when it comes to photo shoot, I will still need to bring a lot more, so that shot, the different areas, right, they are self-contained and complete. So it's not cheating. It's not saying what you are styling for photo shoot is different from the actual fact. They are the same, except it's different degree. So before you slap any accusation on the home stylist, right, you have to know that it's different. It's really different. So I can't wait for the shoot, and it's because I like my client. My client is a very chill chap. Okay, so he is very easygoing, and we can talk. Okay, as with all my clients, I can talk to them. But this client is so chill until I think his mindset for life is quite similar to mine. Except he works hard and he plays hard. I just work hard and I have no time to play hard. So he is always telling me, hey, Carmen, you need to be able to enjoy life, chill. As with all my friends, my friends will tell me, hey, hello, chill lah, why you work so hard? Then one day you die how? Then you you end up not chilling, then you will die a regretful soul. So I'm trying not to die a regretful soul. But so I'm saying, all these clients are very nice because they get to know me, right? They know my pattern, they know the style I do things, and they know I only want the best for my projects, until they will always tell me at the end of the project, right, all's done and dusted, right, the project is wrapped up, they will say, Carmen, actually you undercharge. Then I will look at them like, wow, thanks lor. Only saying this after the project is completed. Like, why didn't you say it before we start the project? Then I can charge you more. Then to their defense, right, they'll say, because after the project has finished, right, then we see how you have worked so hard, then we realize, you really undercharge, because you do so much for your clients, right, but you only charge this much, right? So I mean, win already lah. Like I really don't know what to say, except I'm still grateful. The fact that my clients can see the effort and see the hard work that I put in, and then make such comments like, you undercharge, means a lot to me. Okay, so from here on, if I charge you, right, and you find expensive, right, please come back to this video and realize that Actually, I never overcharge you. I never. It's just I will give more than you have expected. So whatever money you pay is worth it one. It's really worth it. So don't be pasar malam lah, fish market lah, and try to nego with me because I know what I bring to the table. Just because you're not willing to pay doesn't lessen my worth. So yeah, I think I'm worth this much that I'm charging you lah. So time for a review. So anyway, I am quite excited about our photo shoot later because I'll be working with the team that I've been very familiar with. The art director is the person who shot my very first home. So I've known her since, although I never really kept in touch because I usually keep professional boundaries and personal boundaries apart. But I've always admired her sense of aesthetics. So every time, right, when they say, hey, this person is involved in your art direction of your shoot, right, then I'll be very happy because I really欣赏her and I think we can really achieve a lot more because an art director who bothers about her job, right, will really do a good job in art directing. That will take the load off me because my job, right, is to make sure the shot doesn't look bare. So I'll bring a lot of stuff, right, to assist the art director in the shoot. So it's a mutually complementary role lah. And I like the fact that, you know, we after all this we can still talk and joke and laugh in general. So means we are not killing each other lah. So it means it's good collaboration and I like good collaboration. So yeah, hey, I must do this like monkey like that. Yeah, so I love good collaborations. I am looking forward to today's shoot. I guess you can only see the result of the shoot in a couple of months time if it's not like entire. Hey, what's up? Okay, my phone dropped. Okay, so we can all look forward to this magazine feature in a couple of months lah, if lucky. But wow, if not lucky, it can be up to a year. So it depends on the editorial content. But I really can't wait because I have a lot of faith in their editorial team and their art direction and the photography. So 拭目以待. Okay, you want Chinese lesson? I will tell you what 拭目以待 means, okay? But let's not go there lah. I think I've given you enough Chinese lesson already, okay? It cannot be every single video is teach you Chinese, right? And then my account, I don't see any increase in my revenue leh. Why like that? Why nobody transfer money to me for teaching you Mandarin? Okay, I'm talking rubbish. So yeah, I'm looking forward. A lot of nonsense that I brought. So I think it'll be fun, interesting. Join me in my photo shoot. Okay, thank you. Actually, like that is considered very little already. Usually, it's like 6-7 bags or even 9 bags. Very 夸张 one. So this is very minimal already. Okay, and I bought just in case not enough things to start up the place from the owner's side.
Those facing the other side, facing the main left is one billion.
I think it's still quite good for like small family
Put down your head a little bit. Okay, there. Sit down. Yeah. Hello. Are you checking out my stuff? Huh? Huh? Can I film your home? I think your house is a little bare. You never renovate your house, ah? Never renovate, ah? Oh, you want me to do for you? I charge you cheaper? No? Okay. Pistachio.
Oh, okay, sure, thank you.
你拍了吗？拍了吗？video 你看他头。我要用台风拍一张，不懂没有
Yeah, key vision. Yeah, this is what I want to do.
Sorry, Melody can see you. Sorry, no problem.
You sit on the chair lah, sit on the chair. Then cannot see you.
But 你跟我看一下，因为我不要动到那条。
那个 OK 好。
Push in a little bit.
Okay. 还是 just leave it.
帮忙拍就好。